Bro, give me 2 minutes. I'll teach you the approach for genital ulcers. It can be approached by two factors, that is the ulcer and the lymph node. First, depending upon the ulcer, if the ulcer is single, non-tender, then there can be three differentials, that is lymphogranuloma venerum, donovenosis, and primary syphilis. If the ulcer is tender and multiple, then there can be two differentials, that is genital herpes and chancroid. Next, lymph node involvement, that is the inguinal lymph node. If the inguinal lymph node is not involved, then it is donovenosis. If it is involved, then we have to further classify it down into bilaterally involved non-tender lymph nodes or tender lymph nodes. If the involved lymph nodes are non-tender, then the cause is primary syphilis. If the involved lymph nodes are tender, then we have to further classify it into the condition associated with bubo or not associated with bubo, that is the painful, enlarged, discharging lymph nodes. If the condition is not associated with bubo, then it is genital herpes. If the condition is associated with bubo, then we have nailed it down to the last two conditions, that is lymphogranuloma venerum and chancroid. We can differentiate between these two by the presence of concomitant ulcer. If the concomitant ulcer is present along with the bubo, then it is chancroid. In lymphogranuloma venerum, there is no presence of concomitant ulcer along with the bubo. That's it for today. Bye bye.